Hello, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and today we will be talking about KUAT, that is Karnavati University Aptitude Test. KUAT is conducted by Karnavati University in order to shortlist aspirants for admission in undergraduate level programs offered by the university. Courses in which aspirants can secure admission basis score in KUAT exam are Bachelors in Business Administration (BBA), Bachelors of Arts (BA) in Liberal Arts, and Bachelors of Arts (BA) in Mass Communication. And if we talk about the application fee for all categories, it is Rs 1000. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will now talk about the eligibility of KUAT Mass Communication. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. The candidate must have 12th or equivalent with 50% minimum percentage from a recognized board. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. The exam mode will be online and test will be of 50 marks. The exam will have 50 multiple choice type questions. The total duration of the exam will be 120 minutes and the medium of language of the questions will be English. The number of sections are logical reasoning, general knowledge, English, mathematics, and essay writing. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and now we will discuss a few tips and tricks of EXAM-KUAT exam. There is no negative marking, so try to attempt all the questions. You need to finish 4 sections of EXAM-KUAT exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 100 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Before starting the preparations, make sure to go through the pattern of exam and syllabus thoroughly. Take online mock tests so that your confidence can increase and you can manage time according to it. I would recommend our Youth for Work's Prep Guru application as it is really easy to use. So if you value the content of our video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.